Yeah.
All right. So we're going to reset this board here. We're going to input the temperature. So we're going to do 85, which is our max. And you see here that the motor is set to low. That's the lowest temperature setting that we have right now. So we're going to send ASCII, and now it's moving. It's going to move slowly through every phase until the current state reaches 85. Or below 80, or right below 85. There you go. So our current state's 78. Now we're going to lower the temperature, or raise the room temperature. Where is it? For some reason my finger doesn't work. Okay, wait, 78. Okay, you do it. Okay. So there you go. Just reset back to low because the temperature in the room has reached 89 degrees. All right.